The Melt Pool AI tool uses a machine learning model to attempt to classify individual pixels from a series of images as melt pool pixels, and then performs further analysis to cluster melt pool pixels into a single connected region. To add the Melt Pool AI tool, select it from the Tools menu. Click the plus button to add the tool to the camera window. Select the model that most represents the process. Click Process. The tool will now try to find the melt pool. This may take a few seconds. Now we will want to refine the melt pool by using the blob threshold. Adjust it so it now accurately surrounds the melt pool. By default, the tool looks at the whole frame, but you can choose where it looks by adjusting the region of interest. The dashboard will contain various measurements about the identified melt pool. These can be toggled on and off from the dashboard, depending on what information is needed on screen.